Hello Nick, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for this 2010 BMW F800R 27,554,000 kilometers, and price is 7,188 plus HST and license. This motorcycle comes with an extra feature, which is the center stand, engine guards, knuckle protector, saddlebags, lockable saddlebags, and removable that you can take it with you when you travel to hotel. This motorcycle is available at this time. If you need to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.